Hey folks, welcome back to Vidya's Vegetarian Kitchen. Today I'm going to show how to make simple yet tasty dish, dried neem flower rice, also known as Vepampoo Sadam. First let's start with the basics. I'm using half cup of raw rice and cooking it with 1 cup of water. I used the pot in pot method in my pressure cooker and cooked it for 3 whistles. But you can also cook in your preferred way, be it open pot method or an instant pot. Just make sure it's fluffy and not too mushy. Please ignore the dal splash on the cooker sides. I had previously cooked dal, hence the mess. And now coming to the tempering, in a pan heat about 2 tablespoons of oil. Gingerly oil is my go-to one. Toss in 2 sun-dried chilies and fry them until they turn nice and dark brown, almost blackish. This gives them the deep smoky flavor. And in the same oil, add half a teaspoon each of mustard seeds, urad dal and chana dal. Let the mustard seeds splutter and add 5 to 6 curry leaves and a heaping tablespoon of dried neem flowers. Fry these until they are crisp and golden brown. This step really brings out the aroma. Lower the heat and then add the cooked rice and half a teaspoon of salt. Mix it gently so everything is well combined. Finally, lightly crush the dried chilies and mix them into. And my sun-dried chilies or more mulahai had already salt in it, so I added only half teaspoon of salt for the rice. So you can adjust it according to the variety of sun-dried chilies that you are using. If you are using it as for stomach ailments, I would skip the more mulagai and add more pepper powder or any other spicing ingredient of your choice. And that's it. Your dried neem flower rice is ready. Simple, flavorful and great for stomach. Serve it with some raita or pachadi. I would prefer cilantro raita or dangar pachadi. Give it a try and let me know. Thank you and I'll see you soon in another video.